This idea is that with the less numbers video you can achieve extremely high income without the need to show your face with your voice. You can create this channel. This idea receives a lot of wonderful views, and most of the channels in this area are of Indian people. Today's idea of Minecraft is that if we search this word on YouTube, we will find such video and view. Let's go see some of these channels and their incomes together and come back. Well, as you can see, this idea doesn't need your face or your voice. Just put on phone on a tripod and take a video of your workflow and make a simple edit. You don't need to make a very professional edit and upload it to your channel later. If you think that you can't make such thing, just go to the some channels that I showed and watch the video that received the most views several times and learn, and then make the some video again and publish it on your channel. Don't worry about copyright, don't be, because you are a creator of this video. I suggest that you don't be a perfectionist and check out a few channels in this field right away. Then go and start. At first your video are not great, but greatly try to make better video, and then you will have about 20 or 30 videos. He said that the quality of the cartoon has become much better than before. If you have any question, ask it in the comment and I will answer. Bye.